What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cartoon illustration of Edward Scissorhands. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now we want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. I'm going to bring this in and then back out. I'm also going to add a smaller circle on the bottom right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's draw the eyebrows going across the top of the eye. So we're starting on the outside, come in towards the top, then bend that up. Go to the right side and line that up. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow, going across the top and then out. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now along the bottom edge of the eyes, we're going to add a fold. We're going to come down and then out. Let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve, coming down and up. Let's move up and draw a curve going up and then down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the bottom of the nose, let's step down and draw a short line going across the mouth. And then we'll draw the upper lip. In the center, draw a V, bend this down and then out towards the side. Let's fill the lip in black. And we're going to draw a small half circle across the bottom for the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down, go across the middle, and then bend that up towards the right. Now from the side of the head, let's bend this up and then in towards the top of the hairline. And then on the left side, I'm just going to bend this across and then down towards the right. Bend that back up toward the top. Let's add another point, going out and then down on the side of the head, and all the way back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw in the left ear, starting from the side, going up, around, and then in. And then we'll add a fold across the top, going up and then out. Let's start the hair on the left side and just work our way over towards the right. So we start underneath the earlobe, bend this out and then down, go back up. Let's add another point, going out and then down, go around the ear and then back in. Now it's going to work our way up towards the top, just adding these points. Let's add another one. Let's add one small one going up and then out towards the top. Now I want to brush the hair over towards the right side. So let's start up here, starting with the main one going up across the middle, and then down, and pull that back in. Let's add another one, going all the way around, and then down, and then again, pulling that in. Now let's just add one more coming around the face, then in towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath the cheek. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar, starting on the left side, bend this down, and then up. In the center, let's add a circle, and we'll trace that circle on the inside. From the side of the collar, we're going to step down and curve the body. Let's start with the left. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the hip, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now let's close off the hips with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Step up and draw that again for the top edge of the belt. And then in the middle, add a circle, draw another smaller circle in the center. Let's add some more straps going across the body, starting from the top left side, bend this down and then up, Step down, draw that again. Set another strap, leaving a gap. Draw the top, and then the bottom. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw 2 circles. One inside the strap on the top, one across the bottom, and then we'll trace those circles along the inside. Now we're going to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start on the left side of the body, angles down and out with a straight line towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw the thumb, bend this in and then down to create a claw, and then bend this up and then back out. Let's layer those blades on top of the hand. We're going to start from the thumb, step up, bend this down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round out the outside of the blade. From the inside, go around and then down towards that point. Now I want to layer 2 more blades on either side. From this point, we're going to step over, draw a straight angle line coming in behind, continue along the bottom. And again, we're just going to round out the outside, come down towards that point. Let's do that again. Coming down and in. And then we'll round out the outside of the blade. Let's go back to the top of the thumb. I'm just going to round out the hand. Going to go up, around, and then in towards the side of the blade. Then we'll separate the thumb, going up and then in. Now we're going to go to the outside of the hand, curve the cuff. We're going to go out and then up towards the top, then this in and then down towards the wrist. From this point, we're just going to bend the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's add some more straps going across the arm. Start from the inside, bend this up and then out, step out, draw that again. Let's add a couple more straps, leaving a gap, add 1 strap, and then 1 more trim across the wrist. Now I'm going to go to the center, step down and draw a short line going across. In the middle, draw a straight line coming down in between the legs, down towards the heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the center, let's start with the left side, coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. Same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to curve the foot, going up, bending that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips. Draw a straight line coming down in behind the blade, continue down and then in on top of the feet. Let's go back down to the feet and add a thick trim across the foot. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add 1 strap on the lower left leg, curving down and up. Try that again. Now we're going to add 2 across the top of the right leg. Let's add 2 buckles. From the center, add 1 circle, add another one across the bottom. Let's add a couple rivets. From the hips, adding 2 circles. Now coming down the side leg, we're going to add 2 smaller ones. Add 2 on the right side. Let's add a couple more studs across these straps. Adding a few smaller circles. Now let's go back up to the top and add some scars across the face, starting on top of the brow. Just bringing this up and down. Go across the chin, and across the lip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Edward Scissorhands. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.